Las Tres Obini de Orunmila, a patakin of balance, forgiveness, and restoration. In the fertile land of Iwori Méjì, Orunmila, the Orisha of wisdom and divination, lived a life filled with abundance and joy. His home was vibrant, thanks to his 3 wives, Obini, who each brought unique blessings to his life. Irideo, his first wife, represented music and harmony. She filled the house with melodies that lifted spirits and created balance. I, his second wife, embodied happiness and prosperity, ensuring abundance and emotional well-being in their home. Oyo, his third wife, symbolized dance and celebration, filling their lives with joy and movement. Together, they complemented one another and created a life of fortune and fulfillment for Orunmila. The rise of jealousy. Over time, envy grew among the wives. Each began to desire more recognition from Orunmila, convinced her contributions were the most vital. Their jealousy turned into arguments, disrupting the peace in Orunmila's home. Finally, unable to coexist, the 3 wives conspired to leave. When they left, Orunmila's life fell apart. The melodies of Irideo disappeared, leaving the house in silence. The prosperity brought by Ai vanished, leaving his fortune depleted. The joy and liveliness of Oyo were gone, leaving his home dull and lifeless. In despair, Orunmila realized the deep loss their absence had brought. His life, once harmonious, had become empty and joyless. Orunmila seeks guidance. Desperate, Orunmila approached Olófin, the divine creator, and pleaded for help. Olófin, moni iya mi metatio fi aye mi kunfun idunu sugbon bontilo ejowo bo milowo ofo yi. Olófin, I had my 3 wives who filled my life with joy, but they are gone. Please, relieve me of this emptiness. Moved by Orunmila's sorrow, Olófin consulted the spirits and delivered a solution. Seto ebokampelu ewure meta, isu meta, ekuru meta, ati owo, leyi na se ayeye kanpelu, orin ati ijonile re. Prepare an ebo with 3 goats, 3 yams, 3 portions of roasted corn, and money. Then, host a grand celebration with music and dancing in your home. The grand festival following Olófin's guidance, Orunmila prepared the offerings with care. He organized a grand festival, inviting musicians and dancers to his home. The sound of drums, songs, and laughter filled the air. Adifafun iredeo, babalawo adogansa ire odeo adegansa ayeodeo adegansa oyoedeo adegansa. Blessings to Irideo, the one who brings harmony. Blessings to Ai, the one who brings prosperity. Blessings to Oyo, the one who brings celebration. The vibrant music and festive atmosphere echoed throughout the land, catching the attention of his 3 wives. The return of the wives. One by one, the wives, unable to resist the pull of the celebration, returned to Orunmila's home. Irideo, the first wife, entered, bringing back music and harmony. Her melodies filled the house, soothing the silence that had lingered for so long. I, the second wife, followed, restoring happiness and prosperity. Her presence brought abundance back into their lives. Oyo, the third wife, arrived last, filling the home with dance and joy. Her movements revived the liveliness and celebration that had been absent. The wives embraced Orunmila, and together they danced, laughed, and celebrated. The harmony they once shared was restored, and Orunmila's life flourished once more. Lessons of balance and forgiveness. From that day forward, Orunmila cherished the importance of maintaining balance and harmony. He understood that each wife, Irideo, Ai, and Oyo, played a vital role in his life. None could be valued above the others, for together they created the wholeness he needed. Despite their jealousy and departure, Orunmila welcomed them back with open arms, teaching the power of forgiveness and reconciliation. He sang with gratitude, Adifafun iredeo, babalawo adogansa ire odeo adegansa aye odeo adegansa oyo edeo adegansa. Blessings to Irideo, the one who brings harmony. Blessings to Aye, the one who brings prosperity. Blessings to Oyo, the one who brings celebration. The story of Orunmila and his 3 wives became a timeless lesson in the importance of balance, the power of rituals, and the beauty of forgiveness.